Today, we celebrate you, all of you. You carried us, you nurtured us, and you showed us the way. We celebrate your watchful eye, keeping us safe. We celebrate your determination in showing us what strength is. You led by example, and we followed in your footsteps. And then came your proudest day, which was also your saddest, because you knew that the wild came calling. And you didn't try to stop us, because you knew that we had to explore the depths of the one that we all call Mother. And no matter how much we hurt you, we know that you will always love us. When humanity thrives, nature suffers. When humanity suffers, nature gets its chance to thrive. The trajectory that humanity is on is unsustainable and only getting worse. For the first time, a species exists that can prevent all extinctions, including its own. And while COVID-19 won't put us on the right track, it is presenting us with an opportunity to get off the wrong one. The time has come for us to rethink our place in the world and to start by reimagining economic success. When nature wins, we all win.